Hi, Chuck back here with Garden Spot Acres. Today we're going to start another project. Let's take a walk over and see what that's going to be. Well, we're in the far back corner of one of the pastures. We're going to be building a smokehouse today. Who doesn't like smoked meats? I know I do. How about you? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to level these blocks, measure them out so they make about a 3 foot by 3 foot square. And we're going to go for there and I'm going to see a kind of a unique build for a smokehouse. Hey, come on along in. Let's see how we get this done. Okay, we just want to get these close to being level. So let's go ahead and get to the next one. We're going to measure from this back point here to that point there. Make sure it's 3 feet. And we're also going to measure from the fence to there. It's about 73 inches, 72 3/4. That way I can kind of keep this square to the fence. So 72 3/4. Let's see what we got. Okay, she is square to the fence. Let's measure from the corner to here. And it looks like I gotta come this way a few inches. Right at 36. I'm gonna go ahead and check the level of this block here. All right. All right, good. Now I'm going to take those other two down, get those square with these two, and then I'll check the diagonal. Now, since we want a 3 foot square, we're going to check what the diagonal of a 3 foot square would be. So we're going to go use a Pythagorean theorem. We're going to do 3 squared plus 3 squared, which is going to be 18. So we're going to want to know what's the square root of 18. Square root of 18 is 4.24 approximately. So 4 1/4 feet. A quarter of a foot is 3 inches. So we're going to want 4 feet 3 inches. Let's see what we got here. So we got to go from there to the outside of this one. And we're approximately 4 feet 3 inches. I'm just going to tuck this block in a little bit this way. There we go. Let's check it one more time. There we go, 4 feet 3 inches. So we have the diagonal correct on this one. Let's check this at length again. Make sure we're at 36. And approximately 36 there. And let's head down to this final and fourth block right here. Get that put into place. There we go. Okay, we got our 36. Let's check this direction. 35 3/4. Pull it out this way a little bit. Got our 36 this way. Let's check the diagonal. All right, I think we got what we need. I got 36 inches on the sides and 4 feet 3 inches on the diagonals, but I'm happy with that there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go get some 4x4s and we're going to build this thing up. It's going to be built on stilts. Who's ever heard of a smokehouse built on stilts? We'll see why in a little bit. Since I have to cut these off for the berry bushes here anyways, you can see the berry bushes down there. I'm going to use the remainder of these for my stilts on the smokehouse.